Hello Bentley Blazers. Today I want to show you how to submit an assignment in Canvas and how to take a quiz in Canvas. Once you've completed an assignment and you're ready to submit it, you'll simply go back to the course where that assignment is due as well as the module. Typically, we will put list assignments on Thursday or Friday of the week that you're working in. So if we go down here to Thursday, we see this assignment is due this week. We always label required assignments with the title assignment. Underneath, you'll also see the due date. Remember, assignments are always due by the end of the day, Sunday of the week that you're working in. Now that I'm ready to submit this assignment, I simply click on the button, and then Canvas takes me to this submission screen. Here are all the details and explanation of this assignment. You will also see that the assignment is highlighted in yellow. That's simply to remind you that this is a required assignment. This is a graded assignment. In the weekly learning plan that many of you are using as a checklist, required assignments for each subject are also highlighted in yellow. Once I've completed this work and I'm ready to submit it, I simply click on this blue Submit Assignment button at the top of the screen. Then Canvas will open up these options for how I want to submit my work. You have two options here for how you're going to turn in your work. The first one is that you can simply select a file. This is what many of you are doing. You may do your work in a notebook, then you take a picture of it, and then you're going to choose the file and attach it here. The other option you have, though, is that you actually can type in your work right here in this text box. So, for example, this week you wrote a paper. If you wanted to come in here and just type in your paper, your final copy, you can do so, and then you just scroll down and you click Submit Assignment. However, I'm going to go ahead and attach a file to show you how that's done. I click the Choose File button, and then Canvas will take me back into my computer, and I just have to find the file that I intend to attach that I did. Click Open. And now you see the name of my file listed right next to the button Choose File. Once I see the name of my file, then I just click the blue Submit Assignment button. Then Canvas accepts that assignment, and once it does, it's going to take you back to the top of the screen. You will see two important things that help you know you have finished this assignment. First, the blue Submit Assignment box now says Resubmit. That means you've already turned this in. If for some reason you were thinking about your work later and you wanted to change something, you can come back and resubmit. Over on the right-hand side, you also see your confirmation. You'll see a check mark and submitted with the day and the time. This just helps you know I have definitely finished this work. It has now been sent to my teacher. That is all there is to submitting assignments. I also want to show you taking quizzes. Typically, quizzes will also be on Thursday or Friday. Last week, we had a quiz on Friday in vocabulary. So again, it's labeled as assignment. Now, sometimes you have quizzes in Canvas that are just checks for understanding. That means they're not graded, they're just practice to help you make sure you're on the right track, you understand the content. When it's just a check for understanding that's not graded, it will be labeled check for understanding. When the quiz is an assignment that's going to be graded, it will be labeled assignment like this. So once I'm ready to take this quiz, I just click on that assignment button, and here's my quiz. You will see this looks a little bit different. Two things that you'll want to notice. First, allowed attempts. On this particular quiz, we were giving you 3 chances to take this quiz. Sometimes you will have the opportunity to take a quiz over and over if you want to. Sometimes this may say 1. If it says 1, then that means you only get 1 chance to take that quiz, and then that's your grade. So make sure you read that carefully. Then your instructions for the quiz are listed right here. Read through those carefully so you know exactly what you're supposed to do. Once you're ready to take the quiz, you click the Take the Quiz blue button. And here is your quiz. And you will see the quiz instructions are repeated. Choose the best answer to complete each sentence, and then you simply go through and answer each of the questions. Make sure you read all your questions carefully think through your answers before you submit your quiz. And once I get through all 8 questions, then I will see the Submit Quiz button pop up. So after I finish that question 8, here's the blue Submit Quiz button. I click on that, and now Canvas automatically grades my quiz if it was a multiple choice quiz like this. And so you will see, once my quiz is submitted, it shows my score. It shows how long I took, and it shows the score that I received. And you will see I only got 4 out of 8 correct. If I scroll down, it shows the questions and it shows the ones that I got incorrect or labeled. That way I could go back and I could review those words before I take it a second time. And if you got a 4 out of 8, you'd probably want to do that. And here you have that option, take that quiz again. It's going to save your highest score whenever you have multiple attempts. And that is how you take a quiz. Very simple as well. The last thing I want to show you is grades. The grades button is on your left-hand menu right here. And this allows you to go in and see what assignments you've submitted and how you scored on those assignments. Now, many assignments are missing here, but you will see that all the assignments that have been required so far, along with their due dates, are listed. And you can see what I received on this is a test student, so this is actually me when I'm in Student View, and it will show you what I got on these assignments, and will also tell you if you're missing an assignment. So this is a way for you to check yourself and your own work at the end of the week. You can go in here and you can see your scores, and you can also see what's missing. And this would help you know, oh, I didn't actually submit it. I need to go back and get this done. Because if something is listed here, then it's a required assignment, meaning that you need to finish it and turn it in. You can also sort your assignments if you want to by due date. And also by module. So that is just a little helpful check for you. Remember, if the number on it is 100, then what that's going to translate into for a grade right now is satisfactory. If what you see listed there is a 69, that means it needs improvement, and I will contact you, or your teacher will contact you about redoing that assignment or fixing that assignment. And if it says missing, then that means your assignment is incomplete. You are expected to complete all required assignments. And that is it. If you have any additional questions, or you need a little more help on how to submit assignments, how to check your grades, how to take a quiz, please just let me know or your teacher know, and we'll be happy to walk through that with you.